Hi students, welcome to my channel Learning Heart. Today's video is on integers for 6th standard. Introduction, definition of integers, successor and predecessor of numbers, and representation of integers on a number line. These are the topics I am going to cover in this video. Let's recollect something about natural and whole numbers which we have learned in our previous chapter. As we all know that natural numbers starts from 1 whereas whole numbers starts from 0. These natural and whole numbers are positive as they are greater than 0. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are positive numbers. Besides these positive numbers, we have another new collection of numbers which are called negative numbers. Numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on are negative numbers. These negative numbers are lesser than 0. To understand about positive and negative numbers in better way, temperature is the best example. In summer season, temperature will be 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius. That means temperature is above 0 degrees Celsius. The numbers 30, 40, 45 are positive numbers and are to the right of 0. In winter season, when we observe, the temperature will be -1 degree Celsius, -6 degrees Celsius, -11 degrees Celsius. That means these numbers are lesser than 0 and are to the left of 0. By this we can say the temperature is positive when it is 0 degrees Celsius and the temperature is negative when it is below 0 degrees Celsius. That means the numbers are positive when they are greater than 0 and the numbers are negative when they are lesser than 0. As we know, natural numbers starts from 1. These were the numbers first discovered in mathematics. Further, 0 was added to these natural numbers and named this new collection as whole numbers. These whole numbers are comprised of natural numbers along with 0. Now we have come to know about negative numbers. All these whole numbers and negative numbers together called integers. 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. Moving on to next topic, successor of a number. Successor of a number can be obtained by adding 1 to any given number. That means adding 1 gives us successor. Adding 2 or adding 3 doesn't give us successor of a number. For example, I have taken 4 apples and added 1 apple to it. So I get 5 apples. Number 5 is successor of number 4. Likewise, the number to the right of any number or the very next number is successor of any number. Now let's learn what predecessor is. Predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 to any given number. That means number to the left of any number is predecessor. Subtracting only 1 gives us predecessor. Subtracting 2, subtracting 3 doesn't give us predecessor of any number. I have taken an example of books here. I have taken 6 books. I have subtracted 1 from them. So I get 5 books. Number 5 is predecessor of number 6. Always remember, successor is adding 1 and predecessor is subtracting 1 from any number. Here I have taken some list of numbers with their successor and predecessor. First example is 57. If we add 1 to it, we get 58 as successor. Again, if we subtract 1 from that, we get 56 as predecessor. For negative number -23, if we add 1 to it, we get -22 as successor, and if we subtract 1 from it, we get -24 as predecessor. For number 0, 1 is successor and minus 1 is predecessor. For another negative number minus 6, minus 5 is successor and minus 7 is predecessor. For number 1000, 1001 is successor and 999 is predecessor. Moving on to last topic, representation of integers on a number line. In previous chapter we have learnt how to represent whole numbers on a number line. Here we see how to represent both positive numbers and negative numbers on a same number line. For example, I want to mark 3 on a number line. What I do? 0 as origin. I move 3 steps to the right of 0 and mark 3 on a number line. For example, if I want to mark minus 5 on a number line, I move minus 5 steps to the left of 0 and mark minus 5 on a number line. Here we have to remember that the distance between the numbers on a number line should be equal. Here another important point to remember about positive and negative numbers is positive numbers are represented with plus sign, whereas negative numbers are represented with minus sign. So positive numbers need not always be represented or read as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. Just we can read them as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Whereas coming to negative numbers, we should always represent them with minus sign and read them as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. This is a small difference between positive and negative numbers to identify a number which is positive or negative number. This brings me to the end of this session. I hope you understood well. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section below. Even if you have any topics to be covered by me, you can comment in the comment section below and I'll try to make a new video on them.